Hey, it's Kate with WTI. This is one of my absolute favorite chocolate bars. This is Endangered species oat milk and dark chocolate. This chocolate bar is so delicious and so smooth, and I love it for a number of reasons. One is that it has really simple ingredients, which I feel super good about when I'm reaching for a goodie, when I'm reaching for something decadent. It's awesome that the ingredients are straightforward, I can understand them, and it doesn't have a lot of ingredients in it. Something else that is amazing about Endangered species chocolate is that some of the proceeds go towards supporting wildlife. So you can feel good about the ingredients, and you can feel good about supporting wildlife by buying a chocolate bar. How amazing is that? This one in particular supports a zebra, and what's really cool is when you open it, of course you get delicious chocolate, but you also get the story of this particular zebra. So you get to see what animal Endangered species is working to help support. You get to learn some facts about that, wildlife. Now for the chocolate. You can break it off into a little square. Look how smooth that chocolate is. Something about the oat in that, oh my goodness, it gives it such an amazing flavor. It is so yummy, oh my goodness. The rich dark chocolate, but it's complemented so well by the smooth oat. So I love Endangered species chocolate because I love a good chocolate, and this definitely is one. This oat milk and dark chocolate is one of my absolute favorites. And I also love knowing that I'm helping to support wildlife a little bit with my purchase, which is pretty awesome. That's just my point of view.